Located in the heart of Bosnia and Herzegovina, Sarajevo is a charming city with a rich history and stunning scenery. As the capital and largest city of the country, it offers a unique blend of cultures, making it a must-see destination for travelers. Sarajevo's landscape is truly breathtaking. It is surrounded by picturesque mountains that provide a stunning backdrop for the city. The Miljacka River flows through its center, adding to its charm and creating opportunities for walking along its picturesque banks. Sarajevo's tourism industry is thriving as visitors are drawn to its unique cultural heritage. Travelers can visit museums that tell the complex history of Bosnia, or immerse themselves in local traditions by visiting mosques or sampling delicious Bosnian cuisine at one of the many restaurants scattered throughout the city. Travelers visiting Sarajevo often praise its warm hospitality and the friendliness of the locals. The compact size of the city makes it easy to get around on foot or by public transportation. In conclusion, Sarajevo is a charming place that combines rich history with stunning scenery and vibrant culture. From exploring historical sites to immersing yourself in the lively atmosphere, a visit to Sarajevo promises an unforgettable experience for travelers.